Welcome back to my channel! Today we're going to make a Rapunzel tower made out of empty toilet paper rolls. So what you're going to need are carton, construction paper, palette, artificial flowers and leaves, glue gun, yellow yarn for Rapunzel's hair, a pencil, scissors, paint, double-sided tape, and toilet paper rolls. So first we're going to cut this. This is where we're going to put the tower. So now we're going to put the construction paper on the carton. And I'm so sorry guys, I forgot to include this. You're actually going to need glue. We're going to cut the construction paper. Now we're going to trace the toilet paper roll with the pencil. Make sure it's in the middle. I'm gonna ask my mom to cut it for me, just to be safe. So cut a hole, like this. Now I'm going to insert the toilet paper roll inside, like this. To make it stable, I'm going to add another carton underneath. It's not glue gun, but be careful with it, it's hot. Next, I'm going to trace a circle and then cut it. I already cut the circle. I asked my mom to cut a hole in the center for me. I'm gonna put glue in each of these to make it stable and secure so it won't fall. First, I'm going to paint the tower. I'm going to mix black and white to make the color gray. Now I'm going to paint the tower. Let me show you how to do it. Just be careful not to jerk it over the glass. Do you guys love making DIYs like this? favorite details. I'm adding green paint to make it look like the whole tower is old covered in ice. We're done painting the tower. We're just going to let it dry for a few minutes. In the meanwhile, we're going to prepare the walls and the windows. I'm going to cut the paper in half and trace to make a window, just like this. I'm using the glue gun to connect the walls to the tower to make it stable. The wall is done. Now I'm just going to paint it. Then we're going to add the roof. Here you go guys, we're done with the tower. Now we're going to work on the roof. I'm going to use the construction paper to make a cone. I'm going to use the double-sided tape to secure it. We're going to cut a small tower with this, and then we're just going to draw a window just like this. We're just going to trace just like we did with the bigger. We're going to attach the roof to this, then we're going to attach this to the bigger tower. We're done with the second tower, now we're just going to paint it. And then with the second tower, now I'm just going to clean up the edges by adding construction. Now I'm done adding the construction paper. Now it's time to add the leaves and flowers. I'm gonna put some more flowers on Rapunzel's window. If you're using the glue gun, please be careful or ask someone to do it for you, just to be safe. And then with the flowers and the leaves, now I'm going to work on Rapunzel's hair. I already prepared 6 strands of yarn. I'm going to tie at the end, and then I'm going to braid it. Now I'm going to cut up the extra. It's time to attach Rapunzel's hair to the tower. I'm so excited! Alright, we're almost done. I just need to add some flowers on Rapunzel's hair and a few flowers on the ground, and we're done. Be careful when you're using that glue gun. Just a reminder. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. My Rapunzel tower is done and I use recycled materials. Just kidding! Enjoy today's video. See you again next week for another DIY surprise. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!